It was time to hit my wood supplier again to restock for some smoking sessions, and I got to get that wood ready, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So I picked up 3 fresh bags of wood. These are 18-inch sticks. I got hickory, I got pecan, and I got something I've never used before. Now, olive is supposed to be good for beef and pork and things like that. I'm really excited to try this. First, I've got to get these 18-inch sticks cut in half. So why do I cut these in half? Simple reason. The firebox for the Oklahoma Joe's Highland, which is my offset smoker, isn't quite big enough to really handle 18-inch sticks. And I find it's better to cut those in half. It feeds better, it allows me to control the temp better without having a piece of wood in there that's just too big for that firebox, especially if I'm adding multiple pieces of wood or blending. So that's why I cut these in half, and that's what I'm going to do right now. You know, on my little wood rack here that I use to put wood that's ready to go that doesn't need to be dried or seasoned, I'm going to put the olive here. Why? Alphabetical. Hickory, olive, pecan on the bottom. I know it seems silly, but hey, it's a way to organize. I am back in business with wood that's ready to go. Got my pecan, my olive, and my hickory. And cutting it into these sizes just makes it so much more manageable in the Oklahoma Joe's Highland firebox. I mean, if I had a Yoder or something bigger like that, a Lang with a sizable firebox, it wouldn't be an issue. But with the Oklahoma Joe's Highland, it is smaller, it's more of a moderate size. You need to take a little bit of extra care with the wood, otherwise you're just going to be cramming it in there. I find that cutting these sticks into 9 or 10-inch lengths works really well. So that's my wood video for you. I just wanted to give you a little idea of what I do with the wood after I get it. I purchase my wood locally from a place called the Woodshed in Orange County. They have every variety of wood you can think of, and that olive is one I'm really looking forward to trying. I have some more wood in the garage that still needs to dry out and season probably for another year, but the wood you just saw me process, I'll probably be using over the next 2, maybe 3 months, but probably 2 months. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. And if you do, click that bell for notifications. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you again soon.